welcome back to my channel. So today I am letting you in on a big secret. I have found the best banana muffin recipe in the world. I'm gonna say it, in the world. I think it tastes great, and the boys, most importantly, my boys love them. They take them to school, they never come back, and they love them. The reason I like this recipe is because it doesn't have too much sugar. I think it's got just enough sugar, and it's got 3 bananas in the recipe. So I think that's really decent. Usually a lot of the recipes I've seen either have 1 or 2 bananas. This one has 3. You can actually see the chunks of banana in the mixture, in the muffin. You could probably blend it with a hand blender and it'd be smooth as you wouldn't even see it if you have really picky children. But my boys are really picky, and my eldest doesn't like eating just a banana, doesn't like it, but he'll eat a banana muffin, and even if it's got little bits of chunks, he still likes it. So I am going to show you the best banana muffin recipe, which you could also turn into a banana bread if you really wanted to. But I'm going to show you my muffin recipe that I've found. I actually got it from one of the mums on YouTube. I'm going to see if I can find her again, because there's so many that I see. I'm going to try and find it and link it below. I have adjusted it just slightly. So the recipe that I had said 2 cups of sugar, but I've just used 1 cup of brown sugar instead of plain sugar. So without any further ado, I'm going to show you the best banana muffin recipe in the world. Here we go. Okay guys, so for the ingredients, there's not really that much here, but for the ingredients, what you'll need is 1/2 cup of oil. I just use whatever I have in the cupboard. I have this extra virgin olive oil, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't really matter what you use, but 1/2 cup of oil. I use 1 cup of brown sugar, so just family packed. I've got 1 cup of brown sugar in here. You need 2 cups of flour, so I've got 1 cup here, and I'll put another cup of just plain flour. The recipe has 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. You can put nuts in there or whatever you'd like, but I don't put that in there. We've got half a teaspoon of baking soda or bicarb soda. They're the same thing, I've found out. 3 overripe bananas. So it's really important that you let them get brown and almost mushy. I have these bananas here. These aren't good enough. They need to be black and brown and all disgusting, the ones that you wouldn't even bother eating. What I do is once they get to that point, I freeze them, just cut them up and freeze them, and there's about 3 bananas in there, and then I'm just letting it defrost, so they're still a little bit frozen, but it doesn't take that long to defrost, and they make the best banana bread, banana muffins, all that stuff. You can also use this for in smoothies and stuff, but today we're using for banana bread. So yeah, you want 3 overripe bananas, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, so I've got salt flakes here and I just kind of crush them in, and 2 eggs. So we have farm laid eggs, we have chickens, so you need 2 eggs. And that's it. There's not really a lot to it. And what I do is I mix all the wet ingredients in one bowl, and then all the dry ingredients in another, and then combine them. So let's go and I'll show you how I put it all together. Okay guys, so here are my 3 frozen bananas. They're kind of defrosted now. So what I'm gonna do is just mush them up with a fork. You could do this in a food processor or with a hand mixer, but I just like to just mush it all up with a fork, and that's a good enough consistency for me and the boys. So I'm going to mush these up, and then I'll show you what else we're going to do. Okay guys, so I've just mashed up those 3 bananas, and it's just in a really mushy kind of baby food consistency. So there's my 3 bananas, and to that I'm going to add all my wet ingredients, which is my 1/2 cup of oil. Actually, first I'm going to add my 2 eggs, and I'm just going to give them a little bit of a whisk in the bowl, just to kind of mix them up. There's 1 and 2. So there's my 2 eggs, and I'm just going to whisk them just to the side kind of thing, just in the bowl, just to kind of mix it up a bit. So it doesn't have to be too much, but yeah, just mix it up. And then, so there's my 2 eggs, and I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of oil. And now I'm just going to mix all the wet ingredients together, just so that they're all kind of incorporated, and it helps smooth out the banana as well. Okay, so now that's combined, you've got a nice smooth batter there. Now we're going to move on to the dry ingredients. Okay guys, so now for the dry ingredients, I've got 1 cup of brown sugar in this container, so I'm going to add that to my dry ingredients bowl. Make sure you get it all out, and that's firmly packed brown sugar. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of flour, so this is just plain flour. I've got 1 cup here, and I'm just going to measure out another cup. I don't sieve my flour unless it really calls for it. It doesn't need it in this recipe, so I don't sieve it. Okay, so next we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I've got baking soda here, or bicarb soda, same thing I found out. So I just want 1 teaspoon into the dry ingredients. And then we also need 1 teaspoon of salt. So I've just got sea salt flakes, and I kind of just, I'm trying to squelch it in so it's kind of not too chunky, because sometimes it can be a bit chunky. So there's my 1 teaspoon of salt. And that is all the dry ingredients. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just mix it around and make sure there's no lumps in the brown sugar, because sometimes there can be lumps. And then we're going to combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Okay guys, so now we've got our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. I've just made a little bit of a well in the dry ingredients, and we're just going to pour all of the wet into the dry. You can do it in little bits, but I'd usually just pour it all in. And just make sure you get all of that goodness in there. You don't want to miss out. I have added vanilla on the first time that I made this, but I don't really think it needs it, because the second time I did it, I forgot about the vanilla, and it worked out fine. So what we're doing now is I just like to mix from the middle and just combine it slowly. So yeah, I'm not like a chef or anything. We're not trying to worry about air pockets or anything like that. Then I just kind of start combining it. You just want to make sure it's all combined. You probably don't want to mix it too much, but yeah, just make sure it's all combined and there's no bits of flour showing. Okay guys, so there's your mixture. It should be kind of like a bit runny kind of mixture. Nice and runny. So what we're going to do now is put them into their patty pans, and then they're ready for the oven. Okay guys, so here are the trays that I use. So I use this heart-shaped silicone tray from Tupperware. It's got 6 hearts in it, and the boys love taking the shaped ones to school. So I've got that one, and then I've also got this tray of 12 cupcake or muffin tray, and I've just got just some liners in there as well, just to try and stop it from sticking. You could possibly do it in a loaf tin, like you would do like a normal banana bread. You just have to try and figure out the how long it would take. So with the muffins, what I do, it's 180 degrees or gas mark 4, and then I usually do it for around 20 minutes, but I do like to try and keep an eye on it, make sure that they're not going to burn or anything like that. So start at around 15 minutes or so, and then just see how you go. But I'm pretty sure I usually go to about 20 minutes. For the loaf, I am not sure. You're going to have to try it out. I dare say it'll probably take a bit longer, maybe 30, 40 minutes. But yeah, you just have to test it with the skewer. If it comes out and there's no mixture on the skewer, then you know it's set to go. Okay, so I'm going to fill up all of these. I'm pretty sure I usually fill up all of them. I usually start with these because these are the ones that the boys like the most, and then see how I go. I usually just fill it up like 3/4 of the way, and then they rise perfectly. So let's go and start filling these in. Okay guys, so there are my 2 trays that I filled up. So this one's got 12, this one's got 6, so it makes about 18 cupcakes. As you can see, I just went through and did one heaped tablespoon in each, and then came back and just filled them up just a little bit more, just to use up all of the batter. I use just a tablespoon. However, like if you have one of those like ice cream scoops, they look so much easier, and you may not get it all around as I have. So now we're just going to put it in the oven. So 180 on gas, so that's gas mark 4. Sorry, I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit. And yeah, like I said, just about 20 minutes for the muffins, and then we'll pull them out and see how they look. Okay guys, so here are the banana muffins out of the oven. I have just let them sit for about 5 minutes or so. And I thought I'd just try and show you one of the banana muffins without trying to burn myself. Woo, it's so hot. Okay, so I'm going to try and cut it up so that you can see inside how fluffy they are. So here is the banana muffin, beautifully cooked, and I'm not sure if you can see the steam, it's very hot, but yeah, you can see like little bits of banana in there. That's how you know it's a good muffin, is when there's little bits of banana, so you know it's a good banana muffin. So that is my best banana muffin recipe in the world, and I stand by that. And so do my boys. That's the most important thing, is that my boys stand by it. So if you like this recipe, then please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, and please stick around, because after this, at the end of this video, there is a giveaway, so keep watching. Okay guys, for those that stuck around to the end of this video, first of all, you'll know how to make the best banana muffins. But second of all, you'll have a chance to enter into my giveaway. So I'm going to show you what I have put together. So my giveaway is for getting 1,000 views on YouTube, which I'm really happy about. It shows me that the people out there like what I'm putting out, and that makes me feel good. So I want to say thank you to all of those people who have subscribed and who have watched my videos. I hope that I can grow it and entertain you more with some of my videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get to the giveaway and what I've kind of put together. Okay guys, so here are the things that I've just put together. So I feel like this is a selection of items that I would like to receive as a giveaway. So there's a few things. So I've got some organization, kind of planning stuff, some more kind of planning stuff here, and then also some makeup, skincare kind of stuff. So I'll go through it. So I've got these 2 planners here. So one's a weekly planner. It's got a few pages in that one. Also, I've got this meal planner, which got Monday, Tuesday, Monday to Sunday, and breakfast, lunch, dinner, and treats. So those are coming in it. Also, I've got these bright coloured Papermate Ink Joy pens. There's 10 pens in there. Also, kind of in the organisation planner related items, I've got 12 of these rose gold paper clips. So there's like some different shapes. I thought they were cute. Just some sticky flags. So I like to use these when I'm pre-planning and stuff. Also, we've got some silver and gold, rose gold washi here. That's probably it for the organisation stuff. And then on to the kind of makeup and skincare stuff. I've got this Model's Own Colour Chrome eyeshadow kit. I have actually opened it because I just wanted to see what the colour was. But yeah, I haven't used that one. But yeah, I've got that one. Also this Colour Drama lip crayon from Maybelline. It's just in a nude colour, and this is the one that I keep in my purse for just those touch-ups. And then I've got a few masks here. So these ones are sheet masks, 2 different types there. And then also I've got this peel off masks. I love peel off masks. It's just so satisfying. So that is just a few things I've just put together. Hopefully this is intriguing for you guys. I'd love to receive this. Okay guys, so if you would like to enter this giveaway, what I need you to do is 1, like this video, 2, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Mum Life with Mel, and then 3, I need you to comment anything you want down below, preferably something nice. But yeah, anything at all, comment on whether you've tried the banana muffins, or just comment done. Anything at all, comment down below so that I can enter you into the giveaway. So thank you for watching this video, and good luck with the giveaway.